Well, it's time to open the package. We're gonna open this package while we're in the car, and let's get it done. It's a simple, easy thing right here. We're gonna open the package over here. Do you know what this is? All right, what's this? Anybody know what this is? Well, let's go ahead and get this open. And I'm doing this all with one hand, because I can. Let's just get it open. Anybody? Any guesses? Well, if I can get it open, I guess it'd be good. Dang, I feel like a kid trying to open a Christmas present for the first time. I mean, one hand. That's just crazy. There we go. I found me a hole. I found a hole. And let's get this hole. Let's get it going. Alright, I cheated. Alright, there goes the first package. What are those? What are those? Anybody see what they are? Anybody? Can you guess? Alright, that's the first goddamn package. Alright, here's the second one. And then we're gonna get, I did this with one hand. Let's go. Alright. Here's the second package. Alright, let's get this out the goddamn way. Put that on the floor. And here's the second package. Bam! Anybody know what that is? Woo! Look at that. Your boy fizzing to be. Ooh, look at that. Anybody know? So now you know what time it is. Gotta go to the store and get some parts. Should I say some wiring? Let's see. Some electrical tape. The whole 9 yards. And, with this right here, this guy right here, look at this guy. That guy, anybody know where that's going? Man, can't wait. Gotta have that. You know what I mean? If you know what that means, it's fixing to go. It's fixing to be lit. Lit, boy. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna have that glow of the dragon. Yeah. Y'all don't know what time it is. And then for all the OGs, y'all see that right there? See that? All the OGs right there. Y'all know what that is. Time for me to start representing them back in the old days. Not representing the build of the place I was at. I'm representing the person that put these together. You know what I mean? That's what I'm doing. But I'm fixing to head to Home Depot so we can grab some parts and look at some things like that. But first I gotta stop by the job, check on some things, and new job, new responsibilities. Gotta check on those, see how everything's going. Then after that, we're gonna go to Home Depot, and then I'm gonna go check out all this stuff, and then I might get a hold of my boy. You know who you are. Get a hold of you and see what's up and see when we can get these things installed, or probably just do it myself. I'm not saying I'm not dumbfounded or anything like that, but at the same time, more content for you guys and more content for me. So therefore, let's get this ball rolling, and I'm gonna go ahead and post this right here on my channel, as well as it's gonna be posted on this social media as well. So I might do it on my channel, and here, and Facebook and Tumblr. So I'm gonna